Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of takeout and ready to start cooking, but have no idea where to begin? Maybe you're a student on a budget, or you just think cooking is too complicated. Well, today we're going to change all of that. I've got 5 incredibly easy, no-fail recipes that are absolutely perfect for beginners. The best part: they're all made with simple, budget-friendly ingredients you can find at any grocery store. First up, we're making a 1-pan lemon herb chicken. This dish looks and tastes super fancy, but it's ridiculously simple. We'll just toss some chicken thighs with a bit of olive oil, lemon, and some dried herbs. Then we add some chopped potatoes and carrots to the same pan. Pop it in the oven, and in about 30 minutes you have a complete, delicious meal. Minimal prep, minimal cleanup, maximum flavor. The secret here is to make sure your chicken is patted dry before you season it. This helps the skin get nice and crispy. Next, we're tackling the ultimate comfort food, creamy tomato soup. Forget the canned stuff. This homemade version is so much better and only takes about 20 minutes. All you need are canned tomatoes, a little bit of onion and garlic, some vegetable broth, and a splash of cream. We'll salt the onion and garlic, add the tomatoes and broth, let it simmer, and then blend it until it's silky smooth. Stir in the cream at the end, and you've got a soup that's perfect with a grilled cheese sandwich. A little tip: if you don't have a blender, an immersion blender works great right in the pot. Recipe number 3 is a game changer for busy weeknights: 15-minute garlic shrimp pasta. This one is so fast, it'll be ready before you can even think about ordering delivery. While your pasta is cooking, you'll heat up some olive oil and butter in a pan, toss in some garlic and shrimp, and cook for just a couple of minutes until the shrimp are pink. Drain your pasta, add it to the pan with the shrimp, and finish with a squeeze of lemon juice and some fresh parsley. It's light, fresh, and tastes like you spent hours on it. The key is not to overcook the shrimp, or they'll get tough. 2 to 3 minutes is all they need. Feeling like you need more veggies in your life? Our 4th recipe is a super versatile black bean and corn salsa salad. This is a no-cook recipe, so you can't get any easier than this. Just open a can of black beans and a can of corn, make sure to rinse them well. Then chop up some red onion, bell pepper, and a little cilantro. Mix everything together in a big bowl with some lime juice, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. You can eat it as a salad, a side dish, or use it as a dip with tortilla chips. It's healthy, refreshing, and perfect for meal prep. Finally, for our 5th recipe, let's satisfy that sweet tooth with a 2-ingredient chocolate mousse. Yes, you heard me right. Just 2 ingredients, chocolate and heavy cream. We'll gently melt some good quality chocolate. While that's cooling slightly, we'll whip some heavy cream until it forms stiff peaks. Then you just carefully fold the melted chocolate into the whipped cream until it's all combined. Spoon it into some glasses, let it chill in the fridge for about an hour, and you have a decadent, airy chocolate mousse. It's pure magic. The trick is twofold: not stir, to keep all that air in the cream. So there you have it, 5 delicious, guaranteed, no-fail recipes that anyone can make. Cooking doesn't have to be scary or complicated. It's all about starting with simple, reliable recipes to build your confidence. I promise, if you try these, you'll be amazed at what you can create in your own kitchen. All the full recipes will be linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!